let's sail away. Everywhere we wanna play, on the seas we roam.
Alright, Celebrity Edge. We're still not supposed to be staying yet. It says just drop your bags and go, basically. So deck 3, 181. We are on the back of the ship. So we're allowed to drop our bags now. But look how beautiful this cabin is. Look at that. So let's have a look here. Oh, nice. Oh, they clearly haven't finished getting ready yet because there's people's dirty clothes in there. So let's hope they remove those. Lovely. But yeah, they have made the bed and stuff, so I would have thought they were ready, but apparently not. Don't know if this pulls out to a double, but we need somewhere for the kids. Again, there's some clothes, so I'm really hoping that they just haven't finished cleaning this out yet. But porthole, drawers, 1, 2, 3, so plenty of drawers. We've got our bags there, so I couldn't pull them out properly. Fridge, it's a locked fridge. Let me pull this one out. So this is what all of the drawers, all 3 of these drawers look like. Oh, how good's that? So little charging ports. Hopefully that's enough for us. It may or may not be. I was hoping there were some bedside ones. Okay, so there is. So there's a US, and then there's some USBs. Hopefully there is the same thing on the other side. Nice, decent sized TV. So no chargers on this side. Air conditioning, TV, thermostat. Look how beautiful this bathroom is. Look at that. So plenty of shelves. So you got shelves there, there, towels. It looks like they have done the room. They just haven't cleared out the dirty clothes and stuff. So this is the shower. How beautiful is this? The marble look. You got your footstool, shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. Can take that handle off. There's a handrail and a nice glass door. So super beautiful. Another little PowerPoint down there. But yeah, it is all US, so to all my fellow Aussies, make sure you bring your adapters. Yay! It's body lotion again. We just had that on Princess and it was so good to have that. But yeah, so that's it. So the room's not supposed to be used yet. So I'm going to disappear. Look at this mirror though. Look at this big full-length mirror. So oh, that actually goes in. So if we pull that out, slide that in, and you can do an outfit check. Yay! Love that. So they've used the space pretty well. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here because we're not supposed to be in here. Oil tanker. The kids have already loved this. Found this little cove and they love it. Lyra's sleeping there tonight apparently. Yeah. Lamps. Some beautiful artwork. So we'll see it when it's all pulled out. Alright, so we have worked out where the 4th bed is.
No, look, this bed. Ow. Look, this bed's so harder than this bed.
So you're going to sleep down there?
Yep.
Okay. So he's going to sleep down there. I will admit, the beds are pretty hard. They're pretty firm, so good for those who like firm beds, but yeah.
Come to my bed and just put your heads down on it. Come here. Put your head down.
Oh, it is soft. I could feel it with my foot.
No, come here. Come to my bed. Let me push this in so you don't break your ankle for the 58,000th time, kind of like Grandma. Good.
And then you're going to break your ankle.
Okay, come here. Look, come here. Stand up. I do give you a choice. That.
Yep, yours is rock hard as well.
No, do this. Just put put your hand on there and try to push down.
Push as hard as you can. I can see it. That's as hard as you can push. Barely moving.
Exactly, come here. Oh!
Well, that's a slight exaggeration, but yeah, we get the idea.
Functionality, though. Tight. So functionality, do you think that works like that? Do you like that?
It depends on if the kids are asleep still when we get up and we want to
This
move.
thing is rock hard.
I guess
But-
these are portholes, so you don't really have to go in there unless you...
Want to go have a peek out.
Yeah.
But Alira's truthfully going to sleep in here with us whether we like it or not. Another thing I just noticed around this artwork, so that one's locked, but this one opens up. So there's more shelving in there as well. So we've got the wardrobe here, those little cupboards, plenty of drawers, and the side table, so it should be sufficient for our family. There is also obviously your muster stuff and then deep sleep. So it's telling you you can take this magnet, put that outside when you're sleeping so the room steward knows to leave you alone.